Welcome to DMP Training Center. I'm Aaron McGee. Today I want to discuss the Keypad version 205 release with you. Now the Keypad version 205 will be available for your hardwired graphic keypads, your wireless graphic keypads, and the graphic keypad that is on your XTL Touch. Some nice improvements that we brought along in this version are a cleanup of the carousel. We improved the font on the carousel so it's easier to read and it's easier to manage as you're scrolling through it. We also improved the Z-Wave screens as well. So when you're controlling all of your Z-Wave devices from the graphic series keypads, you're going to notice new icons, new feedback during the commands when you're activating favorites and such. So let's take a look at that keypad and let's show you what those screens look like so that you are familiar with those as you're installing and using that. So as you can see, the carousel items have increased in size, so it's easier to read on the carousel. Let's also take a look at our Z-Wave screens. So if I go down to my lights page, you'll notice that we have new and improved icons for the light devices, a new on command, off command, and your dimming options are also improved as well. Let's take a look at your doors page. This is where you would control your Z-Wave door locks and garage door openers. New and improved lock icons, and then your unlock and lock commands on there as well. And then let's look at our Z-Wave thermostats. This has really been enhanced and improved as well. All new icons for your cooling, heating, and auto settings, your temperature settings, and then also the name of your thermostat has been moved so it's easier to find what the name of that thermostat is. So if you have multiples in your home or in your business, then you can quickly scroll between those and know exactly which thermostat you are controlling. And then in our favorites, we have improved the feedback on that. So for example, I have a favorite set up to activate a light, to turn on a lamp. And so when I press activate, you will notice that it says activating. And then once it is activated, it will display that, and then activated will go away. That lets you know that that command has fully been processed and your Z-Wave devices have now been controlled from that favorite. So as you can see, we've really improved some of those screens on the graphic keypads. We hope that you and your users enjoy that new functionality. Keep in mind that you will be able to download this update from the dealer direct on dmp.com and then load that onto an SD card to update your graphic series keypads. Thank you for your time and thank you for your business.